So recently, I traveled to a place which was in my travel bucket list from many years. I was so surprised by seeing such beautiful landscapes. I never thought these 8 days will be so amazing. So come let's see, how was they? Come watch this beautiful 7-part travel series called Roads to Interspiti. So Namaste Ji, welcome back to my channel Megapixel Journey. As you know, we are going to Spiti Valley. Super excited for the trip. I hope this trip is going to be one of the best trip ever I have done. So yes, within few minutes I am going to reach at Mumbai airport, then catch a flight for Delhi. Let's see how this journey is going to be. Yeah. So my flight is at 4:30, but I left my house somewhere around 1 o'clock because I know this Mumbai traffic जिसमें फंस के मुझे मेरी फ्लाइट मिस नहीं करनी थी. So it's better to reach before time और फिर एयरपोर्ट जाके वापस सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग भी करनी थी. So yeah, finally I have reached to Mumbai airport. So I will do some checking work and I will keep you posting.
Boys and girls, good afternoon. Welcome to Indigo. It is indeed our pleasure to have you on board with us today. Our flight 6B174 is now ready for departure. The flight time to Delhi is 1 hour and 35 minutes. Your crew in the flight are Captain Devesh Patel and First Officer Amit, and in the cabin are Ajina, Isabel, Neelam, and I am Alia, your lead cabin crew member. Me and my crew can today speak English and Hindi. We are extremely delighted to serve you on board today.
By sitting at one place for 2 hours, I really got bored now. And I am also excited to meet the other travelers who are waiting at our meetup point. So now I am just waiting for landing.
Indigo wishes you a very pleasant stay here or a happy onward journey. Thank you for making us a part of your travel plan.
So yes, finally I have reached at Delhi airport. I am waiting for my cab. Pickup point as given by the tripwire is somewhere near RK Ashram Mark. So yeah, I got my cab now and I am heading towards RK Ashram Mark. So tonight I will be traveling from Delhi to Shimla. Now it's already 7 hours and I am traveling. So I will be taking rest now. So see you directly in Shimla. So good morning guys, we have just reached at Shimla near some tourist information center. We were all 12 travelers from different parts of India and one trip captain who was local of Himachal. All were so charged and pumped for this epic trip. Today we are going to travel from Shimla to Jhakri and then explore Jhakri in evening. So come let's see how the day is going to be. अभी हम रुके यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए. आई गेस वी आर एट कुफरी राइट नाउ. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द फूड इज गोइंग टू बी. The sun was rising from exactly opposite to our window and we were enjoying that beautiful silhouette shades of mountain with our breakfast. Everyone ordered aloo paratha which was well known local food of Kufri and later we took some shots to enlighten stories for Instagram. तो गाइस अभी हमने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है. अभी आगे की तरफ निकल रहे हैं. देखते फिर आगे क्या क्या नया व्यू मिल रहा है. ड्रोन फ्लाई तो नहीं किया सुबह से, आई थिंक मैंने मिस कर दिया सुबह सुबह। सो लेट्स सी आगे जाके कुछ मिलता है क्या प्लेस अच्छा सा व्यू ड्रोन फ्लाई करने के लिए। So we continued our further journey. I was so surprised by watching such beautiful landscape. Every turn of the road was giving you a view that you have never seen before. So what else you will ask more from the nature? So finally, after a journey of 24 hours, we are take a first halt at Hotel Mahesh. So this is our stay for today. Everyone is tired after so long journey, but at the same time, सबको झाकरी एक्सप्लोर भी करनी है. So this is Jhakri, a beautiful place located in Himachal Pradesh. It's almost 2086 meters above sea level. Actually the time is 2:30 now and the temperature is almost 6 degree, which is quite bearable. So hello guys, अभी हम जा रहे हैं लंच करने के लिए और थोड़ा मार्केट घूमने के लिए. फ्रेश हुए जस्ट और अभी टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल लग रहा है थोड़ा फ्रेश होने के बाद. सबको ज़ोर की भूख लगी है, सो हम पहले लंच करेंगे. Menu was very sweet and simple, which includes noodles, चाउमीन, मोमोज and थुप्पा. तो हमने सब कुछ मंगाया. So this is called thuppa. It's one of the specialty of Himachal. It's like gravy with noodles and momos, and it is really tasty.
One of the best thing to do on such road trips is to eat local and in such a way.
So this is Sahil and he is the tour leader of PD trip. We just had our lunch and now we are heading towards one river. River का नाम क्या है? Satluj. River name is Satluj. Let's see how it looks like. किधर गया अपना लीडर? अरे शैंकी
शैंकी भाई का नाम है, मैं नहीं ले रहा अपने भाई का नाम.
किसका नाम?
मतलब मेरे सगे
वो मैं बोला ना मेरा फ्रेंड तेरे से दिखता है उसका नाम शैंकी.
शैंकी नाम रख दिया.
और ये मजाक में हम पूरा 2 किलोमीटर नीचे आ चुके हैं. लगता नहीं अभी 8 दिन लगेंगे लगता है हमको ऊपर जाने के. 8 दिन तो लेके जाएंगे. और ये स्कूबी डूबी आया हमारे साथ ट्रैक पे. स्कूबी डूबी अटैक भी कर सकता है लेकिन अभी अच्छे मूड में.
चल.
सो गाइस नीचे जाने के लिए तो रास्ता नहीं था रिवर पे. फिर भी हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम पास किया ब्रिज पे, थोड़े फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक किए अच्छे. और अभी हम ड्रोन फ्लाई करके थोड़ा यहाँ का व्यू ले लेंगे. This is the river Satluj. It's the longest among the 5 rivers that flows through the historic crossroads region of Punjab. Wow, what a beauty! view of Jhakri was so refreshing and stunning. You know what? It's always good to explore the place where you travel rather than seeing from your hotel window. This is the perfect place for the stay after so long journey of almost 24 hours. This place is not crowded and here we also get some tasty local food. We are still in Shimla district and the landscape was so amazing and worthy. By seeing such beautiful big mountains and deep valley on very first day of the trip in Himachal Pradesh. I am really excited to see that how the other two districts are going to be. तो फाइनली हमको पता था स्टार्टिंग में कि बहुत थकने वाले लोग और ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए बहुत हालत डाउन हो गई, लेकिन ठीक है, नीचे बहुत अच्छा व्यू था, ब्रिज पे बहुत एंजॉय किया हम लोगों ने. तो लेट्स सी, लास्ट का 1900 सीढ़ी बाकी है, 1900 बाकी है, 100 किया अभी अब तक. So finally we are reaching to our hotel and we are literally tired a lot now. और ये चारों लोग सीटर एक नंबर पे, इन्होंने जुगाड़ ट्रेकर्स आधा ट्रेक किया और आधा ट्रेक इन लोग गाड़ी में आए. अच्छा देखते हैं हम लोग इतना लिफ्ट मांग रहे थे, लिफ्ट नहीं कर रहे.
हमें पानी भी दे दिया उन्होंने, हमें लिफ्ट भी दे दिया, बस.
सो गाइस, अभी जस्ट मैं नहा के निकला हूँ. एकदम अल्टीमेट ट्रैक था आज का जो कि नेक्स्ट 8 दिन हम लोग को याद आएगा बहुत. ओके, सो देखते अभी जस्ट मार्केट घूमने जा रहे हैं. सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीति. I hope you all enjoy, so please share, like, subscribe to Megapixel Journey and thank you for watching.